Tara, what are you doing? Are you looking out the window? Are you looking at the new wheels on the SI? Oh my god. Look at that fitment. It won't focus, but we'll get out there. It looks awful, doesn't it? Let's go check it out. Alright, what's going on, everybody? Sergi here, back with another quick video. We're outside now. As you can see, Tara won't stop staring at my new wheels, my new setup on the SI. I'm not happy with it just yet. I'm really happy with the wheels, but monster truck. That's all I gotta say. Monster truck. These wheels are very wide. They're very aggressive. A lot more aggressive than the last wheels I had, so yeah, I'm just gonna turn the camera around so you guys can see how awful this looks like. So ready, 3, 2, actually, let me just show you how wide the poke is. Let me go to the front first. Let me just show you guys the poke, and then I'll show you guys what my wheels look like. I'll officially reveal my wheels. For those of you who don't follow me on Instagram already, I revealed them, but if you don't follow me, put the description, I'll put my link in, put my Instagram name in the description below, and then follow me, and you guys can will always be first to see what's going on with my car. But alright, 3, 2, 1, and look at that. Oh my god, that's like monster truck status. This is a 215/40 tire on an 18x10, just so you guys can get an idea of what that stretch is. Let's come around to the other side here. Oh my god, that's awful. And oh my god, like look at that. Look at that. I'm really happy with what the wheels look like. I really like the wheels, but I really need to do something about this fitment, especially in the front. The rear isn't that bad. I'm going to turn the camera back around for me for a second, and let's walk around to the rear so you guys can see what the rear looks like. Look at that. The rear isn't that bad. Obviously, it's a little raised up right now. It's not aired out, so it cambers in a little more when I lower it. But there's some adjusting we need to do on the rear also. But with that being said, oh, check out my hybrid taillights. Just put these on last week. I took the chrome taillights off that I got from eBay. Actually, my girlfriend got those from me, and I had those for about 2 years. I liked them a lot. But I got these off of a Civic hybrid that was totaled in the junkyard. Took them, they still work and everything. So, got them for the low, and now they're on there, and I like it. Alright, but it's time. Let's officially see what my wheels look like. Oh, look at that. Like I said, these are 18x10 WCI DB1s. 3-inch polished lips with a copper center face finish. This is going to be like brushed also. And I know the whole drama with WCI last year and all that stuff. Don't worry. I don't support any of those comments. I just really like these wheels. And I already know someone's going to catch the fact that I only had 4 out of 5 lug nuts on that front wheel. But look at that. I really like these. Get a closer look. The fitment though, the fitment needs some work. Once I get the fitment dialed in though, it's going to look awesome. Look at that. I also got some new headlights I need to put on. But yeah, that's it. Here's a quick look at the car. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys like the wheels, if you guys hate them, if you guys think my car's a rice box. I personally think it looks like a monster truck right now. But we'll get that fixed the next couple of days. There's my Focus. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about my wheels, and yeah, I'll be giving you guys a couple of updates in the next couple of days as far as how the SI is doing. I've got some other things I need to install, but yeah, hope you guys like this video. Hit that like button and hit that subscribe button for me down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.